Welcome to Blue Ridge Middle. This video is designed to introduce parents to the tools we're using to teach and develop 21st century skills. There are many tools available to educators today, all with benefits. We have chosen to use GAF, Google Apps for Education, as the environment in which Bulldogs communicate, collaborate, create, learn, write, research, study, discover, and grow. It is with design and purpose that we embed technology into our daily lessons. Technology for technology's sake is not a good enough reason to log on. In line with LCPS's One to the World initiative and project-based learning design, we use the tools best suited for the task at hand. It could be paper, pencil, a textbook, film, recording, a field trip, or it could be contributing to a blog, interacting with real-world experts via video conferencing tools, or listening to essay feedback from the teacher recordings while writing the essay. The possibilities are truly endless, and we are excited to be a part of this adventure with you. GAF is a digital environment with many similarities to tools you are most likely familiar with. Docs is equivalent to Microsoft Word. Slides is a presentation tool that mirrors PowerPoint. Sheets works in the same way as Excel. Forms is new to the Microsoft user. Forms is a survey tool that feeds into Sheets for data collection and tracking and organization. Teachers can use it to quiz knowledge. Students can use it to create questionnaires for information collection. Drawing is where one can create visual organizers, mind maps, and more. Google Drive is where all of the work the students create is stored. Cloud storage enables access to all work from anywhere there is internet access. If a Chromebook is being used, the documents can be edited offline. Storage in the cloud is secure, unlimited, and eliminates the need for flash drives. Google Classroom is quickly gaining popularity with teachers and students alike. It is a blended learning platform that aims to simplify creating, distributing, turning in, receiving feedback, and grading assignments in a paperless way. A separate video will take parents through Classroom, but in the meantime, ask your student if any of their teachers use it and how they like it. These are some examples of the apps that are turned on for Blue Ridge. Groups is a discussion forum within our domain. Keep and Notes are two options users have to take notes in class, make lists, record assignments, etc. The calendar is integrated with Classroom and tasks, so assignments are always in sight. News is a place to customize the news of the day from the newspapers select, filtering content for interests, local, national, and world current events, weather, sports, you name it. Opening an app is as easy as clicking on the icon, using the BRMS.us account login, and off the student goes. Let's look at GAF from a student's perspective. Each student and staff member at Blue Ridge is provided an account in our secure domain. It looks like an email address, but Gmail has not been turned on for students at this time. This account is used to access Google Apps for Education. The account is your child's first initial, last name, their graduation year, plus a 0 or a 1, followed by BRMS.us. Their password, we have asked the students to make it the same as their network login so that they only have one to remember. From the app launcher or the waffle, I can select the app I want to use. I will select here and I'll go to the drive. The drive is a storage area for all of their work. All of the students' work is saved automatically and is accessible from anywhere internet access is available. Students can create folders and organize their work as they see fit. The work is saved on a secure server and it can never be lost, and flash or jump drives are a thing of the past. Any kind of file can be uploaded for storage, including video files. One of the top benefits of Google Apps for Education is it allows for real-time collaboration, so our students can work together, even if they're not in the same room. I'll show you a demonstration of how that works. Opening a new document is as simple as clicking on New and then going to Google Docs. I already have one open, so I'm going to use this one. Notice there is no Save button, as Drive saves every keystroke. To name a document, just come up here to the top and call it Work Demo. And now I'm in my document. To show you how the synchronous collaboration works, I'm going to share this document with Mrs. Nixon. So type in her first initial and her last name, and it will automatically pull her user from our domain. As the owner of this document, I get to decide how she interacts with my document. She can edit, comment, or view. While we wait for her to access the document, I will type up some questions for her to answer. When she enters the document, you will see an icon appear at the top right, and she will be assigned by Google a color. So if you have multiple people in one document, they will each be given a color. There she is. She popped up. It tells me who it is. We are in this document at the exact same time, in real time. Forms, slides, sheets, docs, and drawings all have this functionality of sharing, deciding how the person it's shared with can interact with it. There's no limit to the number of workers in a Google file, so multiple students can work together. Let's leave Docs and head to Sheets so that you can see what it looks like. You can see it is formatted similarly to Excel. It has all of your grid lines, your rows, your columns, the toolbar across the top has all of the formulas, all of the formatting tools, the sorting tables. You can color code, you can import functions, you can create charts and graphs, you can even insert hyperlinks. The next thing I'd like to show you is Slides. Google Slides is similar to PowerPoint. There are templates to choose from, or one can upload a PowerPoint that has already been started, and that template will be taken over and used. There are all these to choose from. You can also create your own templates. Sheets and slides are just like docs in that they can be shared with others and worked on collaboratively. One thing I want to show you is called Forms. You might have already seen it if you've completed a survey from Blue Ridge. We have a faculty-student event in the spring, and we wanted input from all the participants. A one-question survey, basketball or volleyball. Responses are kept within the form, or you can export them to a Google Sheet for data sorting. Charts are instantly created and automatically for publishing purposes. Here's the question. Here's the chart for the responses. 48% of the responders, 37 of them would like to play volleyball, 51% or 40 of them would like to play basketball. You can see individual responses, and you can scroll through and see them if there's something you'd like to check on. You can also see the responses in sheets. If you have a multiple question survey, all you have to do is look at the form here, the sheet and the data, and you can sort it. You can do addition, subtraction, etc. Anything you want to do in Excel, you can do it in here. Okay. All right, that is it for Google Apps for Education in a nutshell. If you have more questions, please do not hesitate to read through our technology channel on our website. You will find links to Google, BYOT, Common Sense Media, LCPS policies, BRMS procedures, suggestions, explanations, and even more video tutorials you might need help with. Thank you for joining us today. Please have a good one.